Hey everyone, it's Mom C. Jean and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you on how to make easy oatmeal face mask for glowing clear skin. This face mask is best for problematic skin like pimples, acne, dry and irritated skin, oily skin, and also for wrinkled skin like us kasi hindi na tayo mga bumabata, 'di ba? So ako, ayan, ang problema ko dito sa under eye tsaka dito sa may side. So may mga namumuo na diyan na or nag-i-start na wrinkle. So kailangan na nating alagaan ng mabuti yung skin natin. So I decided to make my own version of oatmeal face mask. All the ingredients that I will be using like oatmeal, honey, and milk are easily found in our home or kitchen. If you want to know how to make oatmeal facial mask, just keep on watching. Here's the ingredients. First, oatmeal. It is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that soothes itchy, dry, and irritated skin. It is also great for acne-prone skin because it absorbs oil from the skin surface. Milk has lactic acid that serves as a deep pore cleanser. It cleanses out dirt and dust particles that clogs pores, reducing acne, blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples breakout. Honey is an antibacterial. It's great for acne treatment and prevention. It is great also for slowing down aging. Its antiseptic and antibacterial properties allow it to help fight acne and to keep skin hydrated. Let's grind the oatmeal first. In a small mixing bowl, combine the three ingredients, honey, oatmeal, and milk. Mix well to make a thick paste. Okay, so ito na yung ginawa ko na oatmeal facial mask. Hindi naman ia-apply natin. So dapat ia-apply natin to nang malinis yung mukha natin at walang kahit ano na nandito. Okay, so dapat walang buhok na nasa mukha natin. So dapat mag-headband tayo o kaya mag-pony. Kung meron kayong brush na ganito, or kung wala naman, pwede rin naman ng daliri natin yung gamitin. Okay, so ako ngayon, gagamit ako ng brush para mas mailagay natin ng mas maayos. So, i-blend muna natin ng mabuti.
Kung mas marami, mas maganda.
So, as well as our neck, kasi nakikita rin yung aging sa ating leeg. Okay, so, lagyan natin yung problematic part, lalo na yung mga may pimples, acne. Okay, so leave it for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Okay, I'm back after 20 minutes at medyo nakakatakot na yung mukha ko. Ayan, so pwede na natin siyang banlawan. Pero para mas madali nating matanggal yung mixture, kung meron kayong makeup remover or baby wipes, ayan, punasan muna natin. Para mas madali natin siyang matanggal. And then, pwede na natin siyang banlawan. A little bit sticky dahil sa honey. Ayan. So, pwede na natin siyang banlawan. Okay. See you later. Okay, so I'm back. Ayan, nakapaghilamos na po ako. After rinsing, my skin feels so clean, soft. Ayan, ang lambot-lambot niya. Hydrated. Ayan. Ayan, so sobrang lambot na nung skin ko. So for those who have problematic skin like acne, pimples, use oatmeal facial mask twice or thrice a week for best result and to suit your irritated skin. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful at sana nagustuhan nyo. Give me a thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo po itong video na ito. Sana i-share nyo rin po ito sa iba to let them know how easy to make our own facial mask. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mom si Jean. Pakiclick na rin po yung notif bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na may bago po akong upload kagaya ng ganito. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!